Hello Year 1, it's Thursday and it's time to do some English. Today's learning target is to write simple sentences. Now I wonder, if you look at the screen, can you see the pictures? What do they mean? What is this when we see all of those pictures together? And why is it so important when we are writing? I wonder if you can tell you're grown up. That's right, it's our sentence toolkit, or sometimes we call it our sentence checker. All of these parts are super duper important when writing a sentence. If we don't use all of these things, our sentence is broken. So, this first part is a capital letter. That's what that letter C stands for. It stands for capital letter. This means finger spaces. And this, the sort of hand with an ear in the middle, seems a bit strange, doesn't it? And an arrow pointing to the fingers. Can you remember what it means? Yes, it means we must remember to pinch those sounds on our fingers. And this at the end, super duper important. What is it? I'm sure you'll tell me. It's a full stop. We need all of these things every single time we write a sentence. Now, today we're talking about sentences and we're talking about writing simple sentences, and that's exactly what you're going to do in a little while. Now, some sentences are super duper simple and they have maybe 3 or 4 words in, and some sentences are a little bit more complicated. We're going to play a game to look at how to write those sentences. Okay then, I'd like us to try and think about some sentences now. To help us with our sentences, we're going to play a game. Now, the game is called What Am I? So I'm going to say a variety of sentences and you have got to guess what I am. Now, some of the sentences are really simple sentences and some of the sentences are more tricky. Are you ready? The first sentence is, I am wooden. I am wooden. The second sentence is, I am solid. That's a different adjective. I am solid. And the third sentence is, the family sit around me at dinner time. That's the tricky sentence. The family sit around me at dinner time. Ooh, it's a more complicated sentence, isn't it? And the last sentence is, what am I? So there was 4 sentences there altogether. The first sentence was, I am wooden. Then it was, I am solid. The family sit around me at dinner time. What am I? 4 sentences altogether. Can you guess what I am? I am wooden. I'm solid. The family sit around me at dinner time. What am I? Oh, I should say, pause the video if you need to think about the answer. What am I? Let's see. Did you guess it right? That's right. I'm a table. Okay, now we've done one together like that, I'm going to write some on the screen for us to read. And when we've read them, we'll have a guess. And then after that, it's your turn for us to guess. Okay, so let's have a little look, shall we? Here we go. We've got some sentences again. It's 4 sentences. The first sentence is, I am fluffy. I am cuddly. I sometimes say woof. What am I? Can you see those 4 sentences? This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the 4th one. And can you see in each of these sentences we start with a capital letter. There are finger spaces between each word. I have used my pinching sounds to help me spell. and there is a full stop at the end. But do you notice that there's some strange kinds of full stops? This is That's right, it's an exclamation mark, and it's still a type of full stop. Can you see the dot at the bottom? But an exclamation mark is sometimes used when the sentence is particularly exciting. And here we have a question mark because this sentence, what am I, is a question. But they're all types of full stops. So each of these sentences I have written by using the sentence toolkit. Now have a think. I am fluffy. I am cuddly. I sometimes say woof. What am I? Pause the video if you need to. I'm a dog. Did you get it? I bet you did. Well done. Let's play another one. We've got a more complicated sentence there. Can you see? But the first one is nice and simple. I am messy. The second one is I am colourful. The third one is you can use me to make a picture. And the fourth one is the one that we know, what am I? I'm going to say those again while you have a guess. I am messy. I am colourful. You can use me to make a picture. What am I? Pause the video if you need to. Let's have a guess. It's paint. Did you get it right? Well done, superstars. Give yourselves a pat on the back, I think. Now it's your turn. We'd like you to write a few sentences following the same pattern that I have and send them in by taking a photo. You can attach the photo to this assignment on Google Classroom. Have loads of fun writing and we can't wait to see it. And don't forget to use that sentence toolkit. You can always go back on the video and pause it there so you can use it to refer to whilst you're writing. I hope you have loads and loads of fun. We can't wait to see it and we can't wait to guess what you are. Happy writing!